Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Renault Trafic 2016 model. Last week we cleaned the DPF because of the oil dilution problem, this DPF block. And after the repair, after the DPF clean, I'll ask him to use the car little bit. Then he already drove, I think, more than 100 miles here. It's 751 before, now 858, basically over 100 miles. Right. Next step, I'm going to do the oil service, oil filter, and come back to you. Then after that, I'm going to monitor in this car 2 weeks time, next 6 months around, and I want to get the good idea what's going on and what happened to the oil dilution. Because of the oil dilution, this car DPF get blocked. That's why the problem. And also, don't going to skip this video. Stay with the video because you can get tips in between the video. And also, if you not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. You can get our lot of useful video. Also, I put the link at the description, previous DPF cleaning for this car. You can go to the description and you can find out what we done for the DPF cleaning and the first diagnostic. And also, I'll put the card in a there. Then you can click that card and you can follow that video. Yeah, then let's start the oil service because of the oil dilution problem now. Because if it too much diesel in the oil system, it's not good for the turbo, it's not good for the engine. You're getting lot of wear and tear your engine, then after that more problems, right? Okay, this job not hard. You need to remove the this cover. It's holding with the 1 2 3 4 5 screws. This is the under tray. Then after that you need a 27 mil 27 mil socket, and this one also in here we need a square bit M8. I think this one M8. Yeah, this is the M8 square bit for the sump plug. Yeah, and I'm using the 8-3 ratchet for the this one. That's it. That's the tool we need it. And also need a brake cleaner to cleanse around this area. And right, let's go underneath. You can see this is the sump plug. It's need a square head M8, and this is the oil filter, need a 27 mil, and both need to turn anti-clockwise to remove. Okay, once I remove, I'll come back to you. Right, I already installed new filter and the new rubber o-ring. This is the old one. Before you install to the filter, make sure surround this area, apply little bit oil, then it's easy to sit on correct place. And also this is sump plug. Make sure when you're going to replace new copper washer, otherwise you ending with leaking. So this is the very important, this vehicle holding 5W30 C4, basically special oil. Don't going to add the other junk oil because it will affected to the oil dilution problem also. Well, basically according to the supplier, they said it's holding 6 liters, but however I'm not going to pouring all 6 liters into the engine. First I'm going to add 4.5 and check the oil level, because I'm not going to the maximum oil level. Once I do it, I'll show you. But basically use correct oil for your car, otherwise you ending with lot of problem and spend unnecessary money. Beware of that problem. Basically this vehicle holding, according to the main dealer, 5W30 C4 oil, not other grade, because some people say this is also the C 5W30 but Eco FD, slightly different than the last numbers. Because of that, because many people say to me, no, I'm going to use it 5W30, but make sure use only C4. See, this is also the sample I'll show you. 5W30 Echo. This is not a correct one, but sometime when you go to the other garage, they don't mind the oil grade, whatever they chuck it into your oil. After 3-4 months, you ending with like this problem, right? Okay, I'm going to install the oil filter, some plug, and put the new oil and come back to you. Underneath, install the filter, install the sump plug and cleans around that area. Yeah, now I'm going to top up the oil and come back to you. Neutral. Yeah. Right, I'm going to leave it 5 minutes running. Right, this wheel start to spin in, then that's why that mileage counting up. Yeah, anyway, it's stopped now. Yeah, now I'm going to leave it running 5 minutes, and after that go underneath and have a look what's going on there. Right, I left it running this vehicle nearly 10 minutes. We'll see underneath what happened. In here at the moment nice and dry. Yeah, nothing there. And we'll see the oil filter. It's nice and dry. Yeah, now I'm happy. Then I'm going to, however, this one leaking from the timing chain also. We'll see timing chain area, it's leaking. Yeah, however, I'm going to install under tray and come back to you. Right, I switch off the car and left it 5 minutes. That's another mistake people doing. Basically, once they switch off, just install the dipstick and check the oil level. Oil level low, they add the oil. Then after that, they are not checking anymore. Then after that, ending with too much oil inside the system. What I did, I left it switch off and the 5 minutes as it is. Then after that, I add another half a liter here. Now I'm going to check the oil level. Right, I'm going to take a faulty codes. At the moment, nothing at the dashboard, but however, I'm going to quick check. Right, two faulty code for the ABS. We know before also that one. Multifix network invalid UCH. Okay, I'm not too much worried for the that one. We see what is UCH transponder circuit for the key. This is the main thing I'm worried at the moment. No DTC. I went to the motorway 20 miles and he drove after that 100 miles. Yeah, all good at the moment. Yeah, I'm fine, I'm happy. And next step, I'm going to try reset service light with the computer. Normally I know it shouldn't, but we'll try. Service function, oil maintain. It's saying change cluster to cluster service information. Let's see now. Yeah, no, it's not allowed. Basically what we have to do, we have to go with these two arrow keys and reset the service light. I'm going to do it. At the moment ignition on, and I'm pressing this up arrow key. No messages. Service light. Then press and hold this one and release. Yeah, at the moment oil change in 7,000 miles and 13 months. But however, I'm going to press and hold and have a look, because recently I reset that one, but I'm going to try again. It's blink. Yeah, it's not changing. Yeah, it's came for the maximum level, that's why it's not changing. Right, okay, once you do the oil change, you need to do this step, otherwise you end with again oil dilution system. Anyway, now I'm going to hand over car to the customer, and I will ask him to come every 2 weeks time until next 6 months, or until this one complete over 5,000 miles, because when it's come to the 7,000 miles we need to do the service again. That's why it could be problem sometime, but however I'm closely monitoring this van, and step by step I'm going to upload the video. If you not follow my first video for this car, follow that one, then after that follow this video, you can get the good answer. Also, if you need to sign up with our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, you can click that link and sign with us. Also, if you have any question, suggestion, comments, comment section open for you. You can ask me, I'll come back to you. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.